How to fix Windows 11 controller not working. 1. For Xbox users. 1.1 Restart the system and your controller. 1.2 For wired Xbox controllers, update the USB driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 1.3 Uninstall third-party antivirus using the recommended Uninstall Tool Pro in this video guide. 1.4 Update the Xbox Accessories app via Microsoft Store. 1.5 Install the latest controller. Firmware for Xbox accessories. 2. PS5 or PS4, PlayStation, users. 2.1 Download, install and run DS4 Windows as administrator. 2.2 Uninstall AMD chipset software. If you do not use that app. 2.3 Install the latest version of Windows. (11) 2.4 Disable driver signature reinforcement in Windows Safe Mode.